Then 2 weeks later, the trees go down. Only got concrete growing around.
Oh my. Hi guys, it's your Jamaican friend here again once more. As you can see, the Jamaican flag here. Oliver on Thony. Guys, that man's song is so realistic, guys. It hits me to the core. It is so factual. And yet again, he strikes. So on today's episode, we'll be reacting to Oliver and Tony. I want to go home. Bro, I know what to expect from this song. I know what to expect. So if you guys want to know where Oliver is heading to when he says he want to go home, please take a walk with me. Let's travel together, guys. I won't leave you guys out of this. Let's travel together, guys, and let's see what his journey is like when he says he wants to go home. Take a walk with me, guys. Let's see what Oliver is about right now.
Well, if it weren't for my old dogs and the good Lord, they'd have me strung up in the psych ward. 'Cause every day living in this new world is one too many days to me. Son, we're on the brink of the next world war, and I don't...
Guys, this song that this man is singing is so realistic. Very true, guys. And to be honest, guys, I'm literally speechless to visionizing these things that will be happening, guys. I mean, like, bro. To be honest, I've known this man like about 3 days ago. I do not know him personally, but he sounds as if I knew him personally all along. But bro, this is so touching, bro. Another yet super honest music.
Don't think nobody's praying no more, and I ain't saying I know it for sure. I'm just down on my knees, begging the Lord to take me home. I wanna go home. I don't know which road to go. It's been so long. I just know I didn't used to wake up feeling this way.
Guys, when we hear music like this is being singing, we have to embrace it, because couple of years down the line, this is the same song that this man Oliver is singing right now. We have to go back to, and we have to filter these lyrics, because what he's saying here is practically true. He just don't know which road to walk, and he's confused, bro. I mean, like, to the amount of things that is been going on right now, guys, it's really intense, guys. And to hear this man comes out and sing, bro, you have to be careful as well, because there are a lot of people watching him, because it is said to be that there are a lot of higher power people in this world who seems to control the world, and they have eyes and ears everywhere. And you have to be careful what he's putting into these musics, because these people have a lot of, there are some powerful beings, bro. And when people sing facts, society itself cannot handle these things, bro. They hate what they can't control, bro. Trust me, guys, trust me. Very good song, Oliver. Let's continue.
Cussing myself every damn day. There's always some kind of bill to pay. People just doing what the rich man say. I wanna go home.
Guys, oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. I mean, like, guys, we have to pay bills every day, guys. And the thing is, if we don't work, right, for the rich man, we'll get poor and we shall remain poor, guys. Like, the more we work, is the poorer we get, guys. I mean, like, we can't even save some money for ourselves, guys, because this seems as if it's a caging life, because we can't do anything for ourselves, guys. I mean, like, if we go to the supermarket and buy something, right, the money go right back to the rich man. So this is like a cycle, bro, right? Or it's a food chain where we have this rich man, or it's a table, right? We have the minor worker, we have the worker, we have the boss, we have the manager, then we have the rich guy. I mean, like, every time that man get paid, every time that poor guy get paid, the boss take what you want to take out of it. Then they have the manager, then they have the next guy, then they have the next guy, till we end up get the least. So we can never able to get the right amount of pay we deserve, guys. It is so sad. It is very sad, guys.
Farming the ground, grandson sells to a man out of town, and 2 weeks later the trees go down. Only got concrete growing around.
Oh my. Guys, like, bro, what the fuck, bro? This is very, very true. This is very experiencing. I mean, like, they told us to farm, right? Then after we farm and we grow those trees, for those trees to become something useful, they same one come back, cut down those trees to put concrete on to build up their building. So the poor shall never live comfortable or to get what they earn for themselves, bro. I mean, like, bro. Like, who is this man, bro? Bro.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I don't know which road to go. It's been so long. I just know I didn't used to wake up feeling this way, cussing myself every damn day. People have really gone and lost their way. They all just do what the TV say.
Mighty God of Daniel, bro. I mean, like, bro. It seems as if we don't have a choice, bro. We can't choose what we need again, bro. We just wake up and do what the TV say, bro. And what the TV is telling us we have to do, because we don't have a choice. The world don't have a choice, bro. Bro, this is so unbelievable, guys.
I wanna go home. If it weren't for my old dogs and the good Lord, they'd have me strung up in the psych ward.
Guys, just imagine, right? Just imagine if it wasn't for his dogs and the good Lord, they would have him hung up in the sidewalk. Means he's gonna go insane. Like, it is just so pressuring. He can't hold out pressure, but just because of his dog and the good Lord, that keeps him living, bro. He's living for something. He's living for someone, bro. Bro, we have to live for someone, guys. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how hard it gets. It doesn't matter how difficult it becomes. But once we have someone to live for, we have to do it, bro. Because we ourselves want that person to get better, guys. I mean, like, guys, this is so touching, guys. Thank you also for watching. What are your thoughts on this? Bro, I'm a Jamaican, bro, and everything is just happening in Jamaica as the same as his country. I'll see you next time around, guys.